ArcGIS Online is a cloud-based collaborative content management system for maps, apps, data, and other geospatial information. Anybody can visit the website at arcgis.com to use publicly shared web maps and applications for personal use. Organizations now have the option to configure ArcGIS Online and manage their geospatial assets in a private instance for themselves. They can publish web-accessible maps and data and collaborate across the organization to share maps and other information. Let's take a closer look at these features. Through a subscription, organizations get their own view of the website. For example, an organization has its own URL and can set up a custom homepage and feature its maps and apps in the gallery. The organization can add its special content for its use and keep it secure and private while getting access to all the publicly hosted data on ArcGIS Online, such as base maps. Administrators invite users to join and set their roles, and they can manage the organization's items in groups. Items are maps and applications, services, and data files. A dashboard shows how you're using the subscription, such as the number of services published and how often they're accessed. Customization options include using your own default base map and extent for the map viewer, adding templates for publishing web mapping applications, and selecting additional security, such as an all SSL. A subscription includes access to Esri's secure cloud, where you can store your published maps and data. This allows organizations to make large datasets web accessible. For example, organizations can publish their maps using ArcGIS 10.1 for desktop. Through ArcGIS Online, you can create a map service that is hosted in Esri's cloud and that you can manage from your website. You can also create and manage hosted feature services directly from the website. Creating a hosted service makes your data accessible from the web and from mobile and desktop clients. You can choose to make your service public. Anybody with a web browser, mobile device, or desktop application can discover and view your data. Your data can also be mashed up in a web map. For example, you might start with your hosted feature service layer, then add other types of data to it, CSV or text files, map services from your ArcGIS server, WMS, KML, shapefiles, and so on, to build an intelligent map for people in your organization to interact with. These web maps can be shared through social media, embedded in websites, and used to publish web mapping applications. They can also be accessed and used on smartphones and tablets with no additional work. With ArcGIS Online for organizations, you can take advantage of this new flexible and scalable deployment option for making maps and data more broadly available and more easily managing geographic information. Sign up for a free 30-day trial and see how your organization can benefit from ArcGIS Online.